Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we'll be talking about P&S Iron Buster. What is it, how can we use it effectively, and where does it belong in your detailing cabinet? So what is P&S Iron Buster? It is a pH balanced chemical decontamination cleaner. So basically it will remove ferrous metals from your paint and your wheels. You would want to use a product like Iron Buster in the decontamination stage of washing. So anytime you are planning on polishing your car or wheels, or if you're just adding new protection to the car. We really like Iron Buster as compared to some other iron decontamination chemicals for a few reasons. One, it's pH balanced. Two, it activates quickly, so you don't have to wait all that long for the product to fully remove the metal. And number three, although it doesn't smell great, it doesn't smell nearly as harsh as some of the other chemicals out there. And the last reason we really like Iron Buster is because it's safe to use on any painted surface, whether it is single stage, non-single stage, and wheels. So how do we go about using Iron Buster effectively? Well, application of the product couldn't be simpler. You simply spray it on the paint or the wheels and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, being careful not to let it dry if you are in direct sunlight. You should see the chemical change into a deep purple color after letting it dwell. Do know that if there is no ferrous material on the surface, it will not change colors, as that's the chemical interacting with the metals. After you've let it dwell for its appropriate time, you need to rinse this product off of the surface thoroughly, leaving no product behind. On paint, we would recommend doing a pre-wash before you do Iron Buster with something like decontamination soap. Although on wheels, you don't need to do a pre-wash. You can simply spray this on the dry rim and you'll be good. Iron Buster might not be a product you find yourself using all the time, but it is an absolute key to the decontamination process, and it's something you'll want to keep inside of your detailing cabinet. Hopefully you took something away from this video, and as always, you can get all the products in front of me on our website, obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any specific questions, let us know down in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.